So previously we done Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and the last one, fourth is what? Outlook. Okay. When Outlook we are using, like it's like when we are going to the officially anywhere, like suppose we are working in organization, right? There we are using what? Outlook. Okay. Like Outlook, what is the purpose of Outlook I am using? I can attach multiple email ID with the one only Outlook account, right? Means what? I can attach 4 to 5 email IDs together and I can send a reply to anyone using my 4 to 5 email IDs. That's the best about Outlook. Okay, let's go without wasting time. You can go and Google search what is exactly the Outlook. They can give you all theory. I don't want to conduct over here theory. Let's go directly to practically. Okay, so first is how to remove existing Outlook account. Like if we want to, if suppose by mistakenly sometime what happen when you are going to directly sit any computer, so already someone log in with the Outlook account. So how we can log out first that? Okay, let me show you. Suppose let me minimize this one. Okay, now you can see over here I'm going and searching what? Outlook. Okay, so Outlook, I'm going inside of Outlook and you can see over here it's already logged in, right? You can see it's already logged in. But how I can, if suppose I want to log in with another account, how we can log in, right? So let's go to the understand that first. We need to first close this Outlook application. Okay. After that, what we gonna do? We just searching over here control panel. Okay, you can see control panel. I can see over here, click that control panel. Now sometime what happened, you can see sometime it will be showing like this. Okay, so what happened, we need to go over here in category and we need to click over here large icons. So you can see I can go directly all control panel settings. Okay, so let's go on in over here. You can see I have the one option, what that? Mail Microsoft Outlook. Okay, you can see Mail Microsoft Outlook. When you are click over here, you can see, and after that they are asking mail setup. Right now, who is the holder of this account? Rohit. Okay, I want to remove that. After how we can remove that, you can see there is an option show profiles. Okay, click over here, show profile. Here you can see already Rohit account is existed. Now click on that particular account and say remove. Okay, now what they are saying, carefully, if you are removing this profile, offline cache contacts and accounts, it's already everything will be deleted. Means whatever I created inside of that Outlook, it will be automatically deleted. Even if suppose I have the data also, it will be deleted in your computer. Okay, so let's go. I want to delete that everything. So right now it's deleted. Okay. Now you can see, let me say apply. Okay. Okay. Now you can see I'm closing